My video is dedicated to help you get rid of Luckymedia.surf, Luckymedia.surf, malicious pop-up windows that now attack Google Chrome, Firefox and other browsers. At the first glance, it might look like there is some video file behind these pop-ups, and the alert says you need to tap the Allow button to view that video file. But the reality is that this is a deception. When people agree with the proposal and mistakenly click on that Allow button, that's the moment when the browser gets hijacked. So instead of any video file, you start getting a lot of strange ads popping up randomly in various parts of your screen, and plus you may see strange redirections to a lot of unreliable pages in the internet. So if you have mistakenly clicked on Allow, your browser is now hijacked and you need to fix it immediately. Go to the menu that looks as this circle with 3 vertical dots, go to Settings, then scroll down to the Privacy and Security, select Site Settings. Now getting back to the Permissions area, you need to select Notifications. So the Allow area lists the websites that may show notifications. Some of the websites may be decent and some are not. You need to get rid of all the malicious sites like Luckymedia.surf and other dangerous websites. So after this has been done, the problem with these unauthorized pop-ups should be fixed. However, I also recommend that you perform additional examination of your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. After the application is downloaded and installed, let it update its antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan to begin the detailed research of your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As I said, the program initially is in the trial mode. However, the antivirus feature will give you the detailed and full report about the threats on your Mac. You may click on Review Results and you will see the exact number of threats, and not only the list of threats, but their location too. For instance, we have this particular threat, this very first one. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its location in Finder. You may right-click on this threat and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threats, so this will help you to remove them manually, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.